feel like market makers really use it as to their advantage more than it's not an advantage to us.
Recently started looking at the order book
know,
on the futures. Basically, when I look at the NQ, for instance, I see that the orders are so sparse. Basically, we have like 2-3 contracts, basically, nothing apart from, basically doesn't make any sense. But in the ES, especially in the pre-market session, it is working pretty well, but not in the market session. In the market, is actually completely well balanced. It's similar to SPY, but in the pre-market, in the Asia session, it tends to be pretty, informative from what I saw actually in the last few days. I mean, my experience is very limited, obviously.
Okay. Well, my suggestion is always the same. Keep it as simple as you need it to be. Don't make it more complex than you need it to be. Put it that way. When it comes to trading. So, I mean, simple candlestick charts using a time frame that makes sense to you. That's the easiest. And really bringing in the footprint charts on top of that just gives you more accuracy once you learn how to read supply and demand, which is really, I mean, we learned that in the 4th grade. All of us did. Supply and demand, right? And really, that's not much more than that. You don't need much more than that, I think. The order book stuff, it's there. Again, for me, it brought in more complexity. There's people who do use it effectively for entries. Typically, they tend to be reversal players off of pivots and things like that. Not stuff that I like to trade, because those kinds of trades, typically you have to take quite a few stop outs before you get it to go. And even though I have this whole philosophy of having a high RVR so I can afford stop outs, I still rather minimize the stop outs. I don't want to have to take stop outs if I don't have to. But again, that's my experience with the order book. I don't know. It doesn't really interest me. I feel like market makers really use it as to their advantage more than it's not an advantage to us. It kind of confuses us. So simple strategies, simple levels. We have Amal showing us all the fib stuff. That's amazing. If anyone's struggling with complex strategies, I think just look at that. He's got a very simple way of doing things and very reliable. The other simple ones are the naked trading stuff that I've been doing for a while.